Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another relaxing episode of Candy English. This is Ava, your host, guiding you through today's shadowing practice session. We are focusing on talking about your lunch break, a wonderful everyday topic that helps you describe your midday routines, food choices, and relaxation habits in natural English. Discussing lunch breaks is excellent for casual conversations at work, school, or with friends. This session is flexible and easy to follow. Practice during your actual lunch break, while preparing food, on a short walk, or whenever you have quiet time. Shadowing is straightforward. Listen to my voice and repeat each phrase at the same time. Try to match my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Mistakes are completely fine. The aim is fluency and enjoyment. Let's get started. My lunch break starts at noon. My lunch break starts at noon. It usually lasts 1 hour. It usually lasts 1 hour. Sometimes only 30 minutes. Sometimes only 30 minutes. I look forward to it. I look forward to it. I leave my desk right away. I leave my desk right away. Fresh air feels refreshing. Fresh air feels refreshing. Stretching legs is important. Stretching legs is important. The morning work ends there. The morning work ends there. I often eat in the cafeteria. I often eat in the cafeteria. The menu changes daily. The menu changes daily. Today's special looks good. Today's special looks good. I choose healthy options. I choose healthy options. Sometimes I bring packed lunch. Sometimes I bring packed lunch. Homemade food saves money. Homemade food saves money. Sandwiches are quick and easy. Sandwiches are quick and easy. Salad keeps me light. Salad keeps me light. Colleagues join me often. Colleagues join me often. We sit together at a table. We sit together at a table. Chatting makes it enjoyable. Chatting makes it enjoyable. We share stories and laughs. We share stories and laughs. On quiet days, I eat alone. On quiet days, I eat alone. Reading a book relaxes me. Reading a book relaxes me. Listening to music helps too. Listening to music helps too. Peaceful moments recharge energy. Peaceful moments recharge energy. I drink water with lunch. I drink water with lunch. Staying hydrated is essential. Staying hydrated is essential. Coffee comes after eating. Coffee comes after eating. It boosts afternoon focus. It boosts afternoon focus. Soup warms me in winter. Soup warms me in winter. Hot meals feel comforting. Hot meals feel comforting. Cold wraps suit summer days. Cold wraps suit summer days. Balance is important. Balance is important. Fruit is my dessert choice. Fruit is my dessert choice. An apple or banana works. An apple or banana works. Yogurt provides creaminess. Yogurt provides creaminess. No heavy sweets usually. No heavy sweets usually. I walk outside after eating. I walk outside after eating. A short stroll aids digestion. A short stroll aids digestion. Sunlight brightens my mood. Sunlight brightens my mood. Fresh air clears my mind. Fresh air clears my mind. Some days I run errands. Some days I run errands. Quick shopping nearby helps. Quick shopping nearby helps. Bank or post office visits. Bank or post office visits. Multitasking saves evening time. Multitasking saves evening time. Phone calls happen sometimes. Catching up with family. Brief chats feel connecting. Work stays separate then. Busy weeks mean desk lunch. Eating while checking emails. Not ideal but necessary. I try to avoid it. Team lunches are special. We celebrate achievements together. Restaurants offer variety. Bonding strengthens relationships. Healthy habits matter most. Balanced meals sustain energy. No heavy food avoids sleepiness. Portion control helps too. Weather affects my plans. Sunny days invite picnics. Rain keeps us indoors. Flexibility makes it easy. Lunch break recharges fully. Afternoon feels more productive. Mental break is crucial. Body and mind thank it. Talking about lunch uses sequence. First I eat, then walk. Preferences show personality. Vocabulary grows naturally. Shadowing builds smooth delivery. Repetition creates muscle memory. Confidence rises with practice. You improve every session. Fantastic work today, everyone. This shadowing practice on your lunch break is now complete. You can now describe your midday habits and routines much more fluently in English. Try using these phrases tomorrow. Come back soon for more helpful topics on Candy English. This is Ava. Thank you for practicing with me. Enjoy your next lunch break, stay nourished, and keep learning. Until next time.